Hello everyone. This video showcases a stunning and bulky knitwear design that can be used for various winter occasions. The decorative figure that forms the basis of the knitting has been previously demonstrated in my other videos. The scheme consists of 4 loops, 3 main figures and 1 divider loop. The even rows on the wrong side have only purl loops. The pattern consists of 4 rows. The right rows are repeated with 2 offset loops. We start from the right side. Row 1 is on the right side, after 2 edge loops. We create the main figure by making 3 loops from 3. Change the places of the first 2 loops and knit 3 together. Make a yarn over loop and knit 3 together again. Knit the dividing loop. Again, make 3 loops from 3. Knit 1. Keep knitting in this way until the end of the row. Row 2 is on the wrong side. Purl all stitches from the beginning to the end of the row. Row 3 is on the right side, after 2 edge loops. We make an offset by knitting 2 loops. Then continue according to the scheme of the first row. Change the places of the first 2 loops and knit 3 together. Make a yarn over loop, and knit 3 together again. Knit the dividing loop. Again, make 3 loops from 3. Knit 1. Keep knitting in this way until the end of the row. At the end of the row, because of the offset, we knit 2 loops outside the scheme. Row 4 is on the wrong side. Purl all stitches from the beginning to the end of the row. I have presented you with a cozy knit pattern that is great for creating warm accessories. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate your presence. If you found the video helpful, please tap the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so that you never miss a video. I hope you find inspiration for your next knitting project. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.